tayo. Tara. Sa tingnan natin yung mga CDs dito. Plaka pala, mga plaka. Mga lumang plaka. Dami.
You want to have a look upstairs? Or
He wants
here?
to look up.
Yeah. Shall I show you where it is?
Okay.
Or, yeah.
Dito din maraming 42,000 CDs.
For me, please.
CDs or record?
CDs.
Ah.
Second hand.
Mga mura daw dito. Music store.
It's Norwegian.
Wow,
Norwegian.
lahat.
Norwegian. Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Norwegian. Norwegian. So, foreign pop stars.
Ah, these are international. Rod Stewart.
That's heavy. Jazz, prog, country music, folk music, and soundtracks over there.
Wow.
All the ones we don't have so much of
Dami.
artists and bands into the wall. But those we have lots of in boxes.
Yeah.
So,
Ang dami dito CD.
and but if you find vinyl, you're free to choose.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Ang dami CD dito. Mamimili lang tayo. Alphabetical lang ako. Sobrang dami. Tingin tayo dito ng mga kilala. Billy Idol. Foreigner. Ito. Ganda to. Waiting for a girl like you. Feels like the first time. I want to know what love is. Ah, ganda to. Walang price. Pero mga mura daw to. That's it for now. Have a good day. Baba na tayo.